And we're back with the most popular game show in the entire galaxy. It's Finding the Spark. Will our contestants find love today? Here's your hosts. It's these two guys, the beloved hosts. Let's meet our first bachelor. It's Carbon McSteel. Wow, right away it's clear that this guy has some great strength and a durable high hardness surface, but he does have a bad reputation for low weldability compared to other metals. So I wonder if that will make it tough to find the spark with this single lady. It's Tina Titanium. Clearly some great strength and toughness, but she is really known for her excellent corrosion resistance. I've got a hunch that McSteel might be very interested in the corrosion-resistant properties of Tina Titanium, but we'll have to wait and see. Fans have been voting all night to decide where these two lovebirds will share their first date. Is it the Arc Welding Cafe? This place is using electricity to generate enough heat to actually bind metals together, but I'm a little bit worried that the low weldability of carbon mixed steel might make the Arc Welding Cafe not the best choice for this date. It's the Explosion Welding Lounge. A highly trained explosion welder makes this date possible. Now, the surfaces of both metals are carefully polished to maximize smoothness for this date, effectively removing oxides and impurities from the surface of each metal. The thicker of the two metals is known as the backer in explosion welding and is arranged face up in the pack, which holds all constituents in place. Next, small spacers are attached to the backer, so there is just less than an inch of space between the two metals. The thinner metal, titanium in this case, is known as the cladder and is placed on top of the spacers. Finally, the explosion welder covers the cladder in explosive powder, and we are just about ready to find the spark. During detonation, the cladder is rapidly accelerated toward the backer. And would you look at that? A seamless weld. These two will certainly need some post-process work before living happily ever after, but don't we all? I see a long future for these two, most likely in the chemical industry, where they would make an excellent heat exchanger. And there you have it, folks. Another successful intergalactic love story. Oh, isn't this just the best? Well, that's it. See you later.